Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. All right, y'all. First, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went into Dollar General, finding a deal, seeing what's going on. And y'all, my Dollar General, oh Lord Jesus, the shelves are kind of getting bare. I don't know what's going on, but I hope everything turns around for Dollar General because it's starting to look really, really slim to none, okay? But I'm thinking what's going on is everybody is getting it during the week, you know, and not really doing. And by the time Saturday comes around, majority of the stuff that you usually get free or on the low is gone, okay? But it is what it is, you know. Sometimes it happens. So, let me tell you what I got, okay? So, the first thing I got was the Tide Simply, okay? The Tide Simply, it did go up in price. Let's see. The Tide Simply is $3.25. You know, they used to be $2.95, but now they went up to $3.25 in the store that I go to. And I had a $1 off digital coupon that did attach, okay? The next thing is the Purex. The Purex is $3, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that did attach to this, to the Purex, okay? Making it, you know, only $1, okay? The next thing is this Vaseline Lotion, okay? The Vaseline Lotion is $3.70, which this went up to. Vaseline used to be $3 and I think 35 cents, but now they $3.70. I had two manufactured coupons, $2.50 off of two manufactured coupon. Now you can go on to coupontime.com and see when this coupon, you know, see where it's at. I think today is the last day for this coupon. So what I did was I went and bought 4, okay? Because also there is a deal. If you buy $8 worth of Vaseline, and this store on the store that I go to only had 4. If you buy $8 worth, you get $2 off. You save $2, okay? And it's just not on Vaseline. It's Vaseline Dove, and I think it's Axe, I believe. So I went ahead and purchased these 4. And the store discount of the spend 8, get 2 came off. And then also, you know, my 5 off of 25 came off, and I'll show y'all. And then both of my $2.50, I thought both of them came. I know I had 2. Yeah, both of them came off. I'm sorry. Both of them came off. So that made it a little bit cheaper, okay? Then the next thing, I had the Eucerin. The Eucerin is $5. There was a $3 off digital coupon that did attach to here, okay? So it just made it 2. Then I had Bic. Bic is $1.50. There is a $1 off Dollar General coupon that did attach to this, okay? Only made it 50 cents. And then the last thing I had was the Sargenta. Sargenta is, let me see, I should know Sargenta by heart because I get it all the time. $1.25, and I had a 75 cents off manufactured coupon that did attach to here. So yeah, after everything was rung up and totaled, my subtotal was $9.05. Yes, $9.05. So let me show you my receipt. Y'all, these receipts. All right, so let me show you. There's the round stick. There's the Bic. There's the Vaseline, the Eucerin, the Sargenta, the Tide. There's the Vaseline again, and the Purex. My subtotal is $9.05. And my total savings is $19.75. And, you know, you can get a 5 off of 25 for next week. which is good. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.